Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. And we back up in this thing with another one, man. Yo, we got something special in the building for y'all today. Your boy did happen to go and pick these young airfare guard rays up. You know what I'm saying? I believe, Saturday or Friday, May 19th or 18th, whatever the fuck. You know what I'm saying? But your boy did pick these up. As you know, I do have the OG airfare guard ones, in both the black and the cream colorway. You know what I'm saying? But I definitely wanted to kind of check these guys out, man, just on some, functionality type, steeds, man, to give y'all that dope on feet. So, you know what I'm saying, we're about to get into that on feet in a bit. But, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button, man, if you fucking with it. And make sure you holler at your boy in the comment box, man. And we gonna rock out like that. And as we proceed to give you what you need, let's get into the slight review. Gang, gang. Yo, so really quickly, man, just a couple of details. As you all know, this is the mid-top offering. You know what I'm saying? Not as bulky as the airfare guard one. Got the straps, just kind of going around, of the size, man. You really only seen two prevalent Nike shoes with this type of structure. The Air Rays, which I'll put a picture somewhere in the vlog, right here. And of course, the ever so popular, ever so classic Air Jordan Retro 8s, man, which are one of my favorite Air Jordan models. You know what I'm saying? So when you got straps on anything, baby, think about Kanye circa 2010 or some shit, with the Jordan 8s, man, styling on you, wilding on you, just fire. You know what I'm saying? That's what I think about every time, man. This time, he definitely released the light bone colorway with the black swoosh, early in the year. As a matter of fact, hold on, I'm gonna go get that right now. Yeah, so he definitely, my bad, we back. So we definitely released this light bone colorway earlier, last month sometime, man. As you can see with the black swoosh, you know what I'm saying, and that dope colorway, which I thought was cool, man. I did not pick these up. These are my guy, Hendrix. You know what I'm saying? He out there, doing this thing in Europe, man. Sneaker friends help sneaker friends. We help each other out. You know what I'm saying? But, definitely, white colorway. The biggest difference that I see between these and the airfare guard ones is, in addition to having, that nice little suede leather just kind of going around like the build of the shoe, they added some functionality to this thing, man. If you can see, really up close on that toe box there, you got like this kind of mesh breathable material, man, that really makes it, easy to just kind of step and, bend your toes, and I guess really adds to the comfort of the shoe, which I got to find out upon, trying these guys out, man. But I mean, like, these things are very, very jean and pants friendly. You know what I'm saying? I've been definitely seeing a lot of people rocking these guys, and I must say, the more and more I see them, the better they look, on people's feet, man. So, I just wanted to kind of grab these things, give y'all a quick look at them. You know what I'm saying? Let you know your boy did cop. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all that, that on feet, man. And keep this gravy train rolling just like that, man. I will say, these things are, as you can expect, I don't know what the hell they doing with this Air Max 180 technology, and how they making it work so well for these models, in particular this and the airfare guard one, and the shoot around. But this line is one of the more comfortable Nike models and lines that that has been in recent years, man. So shout out to Jerry Lorenzo for giving us something that's stylish and comfortable as hell. I feel like I can wear these things anywhere, which is a plus, man. Which is definitely a plus, man. I got the airfare guard ones. Not sure I'm gonna keep them, but if I don't, I got a cousin in Detroit that would love to have these guys right here. You know what I'm saying? So we just gonna keep it like that, man. Cute on feet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
I wake up, get what I want. I had to get what I could. My little hoe sell me too good. My coupe the color that raw. OG got come straight from Cali. I spin that check like I bought. I walk right into the store, pick out whatever I want. I want my engine in back. I'm out here chasing the sack, and then I'm getting in my way. I'm out here smoking that pack. I ain't out here chasing these skeezers. They bite off the hand that'll feed them. You out here finessing your plug. For around, you know you gon' need them. I wake up, get what I want. I spent 6,000 on some wheels. I could've bought me a bike. You know my bitch is like hoe. They only fuck with them dykes. My partner play with that raw. No pirates pot, it ain't right. I want white diamond VVS it. Them bitches light up the night. Feeling like I'm Michael Knight. I just look left, seen the police, so you know I made it right. Drop the coupe, I'll spray it white. My little bitch only want pipe. Hey, I walk around with the Nina loaded, running up on me ain't wise. Speed the coupe like it's hot wire. Feed the fam all on my mind. Molly and lean mixed with Percocet and Zan, but I'm not tired. I stay 10 toes on the grind. I put a peep all on my nine. Pussy nigga try to bust through my front door, I put you on the ground. I wake up, get what I want. I had to get what I could. My little hoe sell me too good. My coupe the color that raw. OG got come straight from Cali. I spin that check like I bought. I walk right into the store, pick out whatever I want. I want my engine in back. I'm out here chasing the sack, and then I'm getting in my way. I'm out here smoking that pack. I ain't out here chasing these skeezers. They bite off the hand that'll feed them. You out here finessing your plug. For around, you know you gon' need them. I wake up, get what I want. My cell phone was booming like hell. I had to give me 2 phones. My little bitch wanted some friends. I had to get her 2 more. All I do chase dividend. I fuck up money, make more. Yeah, I got that pocket rocket, ayy, I take it with me on the go. Can't check that door if you slow. I stay afloat like a boat. If you a drug dealer, put your wrist in a pot, when it come out it glow. I do it twice, pour a four. I fucked her twice on the floor. When I pull up in a coupe with no ceiling, I know she gon' run. I had to get what I could. My little hoe sell me too good. My coupe the color that raw. OG got come straight from Cali. I spin that check like I bought. I walk right into the store, pick out whatever I want. I want my engine in back. I'm out here chasing the sack, and then I'm getting in my way. I'm out here smoking that pack. I ain't out here chasing these skeezers. They bite off the hand that'll feed them. You out here finessing your plug. For around, you know you gon' need them. I wake up, get what I want. I had to get what I could.
Alright, y'all, so I hope y'all like that on feet. You know what I'm saying? This is something slight, something simple, man. You know what I'm saying? We gonna keep that going, man. I know I need to do more, sneaker videos, more channels, man. So, I know, I got the vlogs, man. I try to curate the culture of Chicago, give y'all an experience. But, this is a sneaker channel. We gotta get to our roots. That's just what it is. You know what I'm saying? So, as always, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know how we rockin' around here. Gang, 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 gang.
This Chicago.